These how to 1 minute will show you how to change WordPress color scheme. Follow these easy steps to change your WordPress theme color without any plugin. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress website, and now let's change this theme color. Click on customize, and here click on colors, and here you'll get background color. Click on background color, and now you can easily select a custom color for your WordPress theme. As you can see, the color is changing. And if you want to change a specific preferred background color, then follow me to do it. Let's change this our service section background color. To do that, right click on the area where you want to add a custom color and click on inspect. Click on select, and now select the area you want to change color. And now all you have to need, just in this element.style section, type background, and now add a background color for check. As you can see, the color has been added. And now all you have to need, just you have to copy this section class ID. So again click on select, and again select the area, and here we can see this div class name is this one. So I'm going to copying this class name. Once you copied the section class name, again click on customize, and here select additional CSS, and all you have to need, just type here dot and paste the div class, give second bracket and type background, and let's add red. As you can see, only these section color has been changed. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.